Oh, and this is single family. This is not townhome.
It is single family.
Yeah, so there is a side yard.
Oh,
So
even better, and especially for the price, $450.
$450 single family. Holy
That's
shit.
my hook right there.
Beep, beep that out.
Holy beep. Where are you going?
All right, just say it.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Hi, Leanne here, Realty One Group, homesininspirada.com, out here in Inspirada, just down for Potenza Park, to show you this gorgeous 2-story single family home that is priced at $450.
Yes.
Crazy. Let's go in and take a look. You can see it has super charming front porch.
So this is our first, well, actually our second property that we're doing, that we're calling Inspirada TV, because we realize so many people are watching YouTube on their television. So we wanted to shoot these landscape as opposed to our normal Inspirada home tours that are vertically, because everyone's typically watching on social. But if you're watching on your television, this is just for you. So we wanted to get out here and kind of, you're gonna have to.
Oh.
So you get to see all the trials and tribulations
of opening a house.
This is 90% of real estate school is trying to figure out how to open
the door.
a slider. Is there a push button thing?
I don't see one.
See? How many realtors does it take to open?
More than we have here, evidently. Oh, wow. That was super simple.
All right.
Sometimes I like to play damsel in distress.
So we are not going to edit out any of this.
Yeah, because
What year
that's
is
how
this?
life is. This was built in 2015. Wow, great shape for 2015.
So this is one of the alleyway type deals where you park in the back.
This is a great side yard.
It is.
You could have a whole table and entertain out here. Super nice.
I'll walk you out to the garage. I normally don't put these in the video tours, but since we're doing the extended director's cut. So water softener, water heater, they insulated it. It helps you, and that's a pretty good size. So also, if you got an electric car, it's got the charger. So this is listed with a friend of ours, Ryan Crichton. We used to be neighbors with our brokerages. iRealty was us, and then on the other half of the building was Crichton. And it's Ryan and his brother. Super good dudes. But anyhow, let's get inside. Shut this. Upgraded cabinets. I really like these cabinets.
Yeah, super cute.
KitchenAid, dishwasher.
All KitchenAid.
All
appliance.
KitchenAid.
Yeah, super nice.
Yeah, those are not cheap. They're so rollouts in these. Gotta like that.
Nice.
It does scratch you if you're not wide open. I like this black granite, huh?
Uh-huh.
Ooh, and that undermount sink, reverse osmosis. Cool faucet too, huh?
Yeah, super nice. Check this out. Now that's a closet. You need some space. There you go. Put it in the closet.
All right, so Harry Potter reading room. I always see people on TikTok when they open this up and do a little built-in desk kind of thing.
Yeah, that's kind of fun.
So half bath down.
Yeah, half bath.
Upgraded square toilet. We recently were showing some high-end homes, and it had a bidet toilet.
Just the lid.
Just the lids,
yeah.
But they weren't included. It was in the remarks that they did not stay. So this is the shot where I always tell you to please like and subscribe to our channel. It would really help us grow. So this is a 2-bedroom plus this loft, which, you know, could have been the third bedroom. What's the square footage on this?
This has 1,557 square foot. Oh, it's a Jack and Jill bathroom to that too.
All right.
Super cute.
Get all these blinds open. Again, single family, 450, highly upgraded.
Oh,
Crown
check out
molding.
the closet. That's an upgrade in the closet. It's not just
Yeah, I like.
wire and
Yeah,
wood.
We've seen a few of these.
Washer and dryers upstairs, and it stays and conveys with the property.
I like those cabinets too.
They match the kitchen.
Yeah, it's not that cheap. I like how they did this little kind of thing here to maybe they
Holds the
keep the
washer
dog
steady.
keep the dog from going back there.
Is that what you think, Hal?
That's what I think.
Nice. This is the primary. I got dual closets. Gotta love it. Hers and hers.
So
The
black
build-
walls. I would guess most people would want to paint this, but
I
it's
think it'd be
kinda-
great for sleeping.
it is kind of cool.
Yeah, super cool. When
'Cause
our kids were teenagers, they wanted black rooms.
they did. So they had the TV there. I'm kind of guessing you'd put the bed over there. It's kind of weird with that window there.
I think it's great with that window there. I'd put the bed over here and the TV's facing there.
And I
And
think that's what they did.
yeah, it's
Let's
perfect.
get a shot of these closets.
Yeah, the built-ins are awesome.
Yeah, these are really attractive. I think we've done
They're
the entire
really
house. Can I see your phone with the screenshot?
Oh, sure.
Anyhow, me and Leanne are going to trade because what we also wanted to start doing in this breakdown is what the payments would be to kind of give you an idea. Shocking.
Okay, stroking.
Are you going to
Nope.
film yourself?
I'm going to film myself. This is why Jeff does the filming.
Okay.
Oh, is this the camera? Okay.
So then,
Okay.
sometimes when people
I got it.
they get their mom to film them, but it's really just self-facing. So different. We've got 3 different scenarios. Leanne's rolling her eyes at me.
You're not supposed
Okay.
to tell him that.
So 3.5% down FHA loan. This would easily qualify for that. So your down payment would be $15,750. Estimated payments with the scenario, I think, was at about 6%. Estimated monthly payments would be $3,500. So that would be your principal and interest, $2,830. FHA MI, which is mortgage insurance, is $250. Taxes per month would be $263. Insurance, maybe about $90 to $100 per month. HOAs, you know what? Why is this estimating this breakdown at $255?
That's what it says on the MLS. $255 for HOAs.
That doesn't seem right to me. But that's kind of where we're at. You know what? We're on live television. So, I mean, you are watching this on your TV. SNL. So anyhow, I would like to double check on this. And of course, when we get back, I'll pull up some other properties. It's just kind of weird that they're pricing that. Okay, so anyhow, conventional, if you went with a 5% down, the down payment's $22,500. Estimated monthly payments, $3,350. And if you did a 20%, which gets rid of the MI, your down payment's $90K. Loan amounts just under $360. Estimated monthly payment is $2,650. So again, we'll put the link to the property in the description and the comments. We'll have a shorter video tour of this too. But
And also remember that we negotiate for you. So if you need help with closing costs or maybe do a buy down on the rate, we can help negotiate that.
That's
as
right.
well.
So in this market right now, sellers are offering a little more on the concession. So even if you did a 2% buy down, which would probably run about $10,000 in this price range, and then get 2%. And if you could, anyhow, it's all negotiable. Thanks for watching. HomesInInspirada.com. Again, please like and subscribe.